Hello and welcome. My name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a very quick breathing exercise. This is something that you can do at any time during the day just to regroup, refresh the mind and the body. So when you're ready, beginning to come into a seated position, this might be in a chair or on the floor, and just ensuring that the sit bones are comfortable, rolling the shoulder blades down the ribcage, opening up the chest slightly. Elbows are soft, and you might begin to soften or close the eyes if you feel safe and comfortable to do so. And as you begin to soften the eyes, just ensuring that you're not leaning to one side in your seated position. And what we're going to begin to do is take our left hand to the heart and our right hand to the belly. And we're going to take a counted breath. It's an inhale of 3, pausing and exhaling for 1. So if you're a visual individual, imagine or feel that breath building from just below the navel to the heart, that's 1. Heart to the collar is 2, and collar to the nose is 3. We'll pause and then we'll pour the breath out with 1 long exhale, pausing at the end of the exhale before taking and repeating that counted breath of inhaling for 3, pausing and exhaling for 1. So again, taking your left hand to the heart, right hand to the belly, shoulder blades rippling down the ribcage. And just beginning to inhale for either a count of 3 or that visualization. Pausing and exhaling for 1. Now we're just going to repeat with your own count, own breath. Take 1 more round of breath. And begin to release the counts. Beginning to take the hands together at the heart, so bowing the head to the hands in gratitude. And we'll begin to bow the head down towards the earth. And thanks for investing in your well-being and your practice. Thank you for taking this very brief breathing exercise. Remembering you can come back to this at any point during your day, and you can take it longer if you like. We were just exploring for about a minute or so. So again, have an amazing day, and I'll see you again soon.